Hello everyone, my name is Simran and today we are going to know about something tenses. So first we have to know what's the meaning of tense. So the meaning of tense is time. So I just want to know that do you know about that how many times do we have? We have only 3 times for first past, second present and third is future. Now we are going to know about these times and how they work with all the categories. So first, past shows the time which has been passed. So in short, we are going to write past time. Now we are going to talk about present. What does present show? Present shows the time which is going on. The present time. Going on time. Okay, so now last the time we have future. What does future show? It's obvious, it's showing the upcoming time, the forthcoming time. Upcoming time. Now we all know about 3 times. So now we have to understand what are the categories and how many categories do we have. So it's simple to know we have only 4 categories. And these categories work with these time. For example, if I talk about simple, and we call it indefinite as well. So first, if we talk about simple category, what does it show and how we are going to identify that this is simple or indefinite category. So it's simple to know if it shows, if the sentence show habit, routine and fact. So it's simple to understand that simple category shows habit, routine and fact. For example, I work, I teach, you come, you learn. These kinds of sentences we include in simple category. Now coming to the second category which we have, continuous. So now we have the question, what does it show and how we are going to know about in some words. So basically the work which is going on. For example, I am teaching you right now. So this is telling the continuous process. For example, it is showing continuity of the work. Whatever is going on in the present time, past time or in future time. So all these things are going to be in continuous process. Now third we are talking about perfect. So we know the name is perfect of the third category. So obviously this is going to show us perfection of something and as well the completeness of the work. So if we are going to write it, perfection of work, or we can say completeness of the work. I hope now you understand about all these categories because we have one more categories it's difficult to understand. That is perfect continuous. So these categories also shows us continuity of the work. But why it's not continuous? Because here the time is interfering. So continuity of the work with interference of time. Okay, I hope now you all know about time and how these categories showing their ways to use. So for example, simple shows habit, routine and facts. Continuous shows continuity of the work which is going on right now, that way I'm teaching you right now. So this is called continuous process. If I tell you perfect, so perfect shows perfection or completeness of the work. For example, I have taught you the time. So this is showing perfection, completeness of the work. Now third is perfect continuous. So in this category, we are going to know about the work is going on with the interference of the time. For example, I have been teaching since morning. I have been teaching for 15 minutes. So these sentences are reflecting perfect continuous. I hope now you know about the time and the categories. In the next class, we are going to know about how these categories going to work with these times. Okay, thank you.